What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Got a couple setups we're looking at right here. Price hasn't done anything too crazy yet, so just gonna be watching GJ right now. Everything else I don't really like where it's at. Just like always, y'all, you already know the drill. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Any charge? Drop them in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. As far as news, only got some USD news at the beginning of New York session. Again, it's a Monday. Most Mondays are slow. We're gonna see how this Monday is gonna be. Dropped the Sunday chart analysis last night for y'all. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. First link in the description. What's going on, SK? I see you up in here. What's going on, AJ? I'm doing good. How about you? Those just joined the stream. We have not entered this yet. It's just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join our free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month, the last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. I had a crazy week last week. Went 5-0 last week. Monday caught 13 pips. Tuesday 69. Wednesday didn't take any trades. Thursday caught 118 pips. And then Friday we caught 46 pips. 150 gives us 100% win rate. How we did the week before that, we went. Where's it at? We went 1-1 the week before that. Then the week before that, well, the month before that, I should say. How we ended last month, we went 16-4. That's 80% win rate. Looking at possible GJ setups, like we talked about in the Sunday chart analysis, we had price struggle to hold these past previous lows as support. So we're kind of in a reversal territory. So we're about to see if we can break this level and treat it as resistance. We can hold 199.20 as resistance. We can see sales going down to 198.55, 860. But if it continues for that level of support, we're going to watch to see how it reacts. If it can break and hold 199.95 as support. So again, we'll just wait for our confirmations, watch and see how price reacts to this level. So far, it's been holding it as support. But it's also been treating this as resistance. So we're about to see, what London session got for us. New 5 minute just popped up. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Dropped a few videos last week for y'all. If you haven't checked those out yet, make sure to check those out. All the playlists are up to date. We're already halfway through June, which is crazy. What's going on, my boy Shawn? I see you up in here. How was your weekend? How's the fam doing? Happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. I know it was yesterday, but we ain't talked yesterday. Happy Father Day to the fathers, soon to be fathers, uncles, grandparents, all that good stuff. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. You see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram is playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmakerway _. I post daily on both pages. Make sure to check out the videos and playlist on YouTube as well while we're chilling. Again, volume is slow right now. Price ain't doing too much. Again, we look right here. Price has been on this level for a past hour. So we're waiting for price to see if it can break below this level, treat as resistance, or we're going to see if it rejects the level. Right now, it's still just chilling on this level. So we're just patiently waiting. New 15 just popped up. GU slightly went as projected from last night during the Sunday chart analysis. Being a nice little drop. You're either looking for a retracement or retest to see if it can continue to hold 2680 as resistance, or we're going to see if it can break and hold 2640. Treat that as resistance because, again, had a reversal take place Thursday and last week on Friday. Still to keep these levels as support. See higher highs, price rejected this level. The support is now being the resistance level. We're looking for sales on BU, possible sales on BU. We're also looking for sales on G and EN, possible GA. We'll see what both come into play. The GA, it's just a level of traffic right here. We're not really too hasty with that side. We could see something interesting happen with gold this week. It's been stuck in place for the past 2 weeks. I want to see something happen. I'll wait for that. on the daily and entry on the 1 hour? No. One of my levels on the daily, but I mark my levels off different time frames, and I go over all that step by step in the course and in the one-on-one sessions. And then right now I'm on the 15-minute. Those just joining the stream, we have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal on Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Check it out for yourselves. Last month, we went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate. We caught 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You click right here. It's going to tell you the beginning of April. Or is it May? Man, time's just been flying. I keep forgetting we're in June. But anyways, it'll show you all the wins, losses, as well as how we did the first month of going into quarter two. And then once this month's over, we're going to go over and do a recap of how we ended quarter two. But you can see how we ended quarter three. You go to April 4th, you can see this. January went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. And then March we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips. In the quarter 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate, catching a total of 111,806 pips. So again, we've just been killing it this year. And again, you can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here, is going to take you to the beginning of the year, where you can also see how we ended last year with the bang as well. 240,000 pips, 76-7, 96% win rate. Again, all wins and losses are posted. And again, all the trades we take, we break down and go over, if not enter, as well during the London session lives. And then we also go over them during the Sunday chart analysis. If you check out last week's Sunday chart analysis, majority of the charts we went over went exactly as projected. So make sure to check that out, as well as last night's Sunday chart analysis. Got some videos I'm going to be editing today to be dropping later on this week, so be on the lookout for that. I got some more trade breakdowns, some more trading tip videos. Probably going to drop a trading plan video as well. So be on the lookout for that. But make sure to check out my previous videos as well. Playlists are up to date. All that good stuff's up to date. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When you charge, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. Again, Mondays and Tuesdays are typically the slower days of the week. Markets are slowly waking up. And as you can see, for the past hour and a half, price has just been stuck in place. So it's not like we're missing anything. We're simply waiting for volume to kick in. Got a few minutes till the next 15 pops up. DJ rejected that level, so we're just gonna leave it alone for right now. Still watching New Zealand for possible sell setups. GA looks like it's about to try to do something as well. U15 just popped up. Make sure like the live job you're having. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at 2,400 subscribers. You can get to that easily. We got GA retesting, waiting for GU to retrace a little bit. And then GNs is still chilling on this level right here. Got a couple minutes to the next 5 minute pops up. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we do any charts, drop them in the chat. We got a newsletter on at 8:30. We're going to see that going to bring some volume up. It looks like some volume is slowly creeping in. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in about a minute and some change. I was looking for you to retrace and retest this level, but looks like it's going to keep on pushing down. So we're just going to switch gears. GJ, we're going to keep an eye on that, but we got our alert, so we're not going to miss that. GN just broke this level, which is why you see this alert just popped off. So we're going to see what's going to be held as resistance. If GN can hold 700 as resistance, we can look for sales going back down to 645. And if it can break that level, we could possibly see it go down to 590. That's what we're looking for right here. And then we're also keeping an eye on GA. U15 just popped up. So GG is pushing down. We're going to see if we can break this level this time. GU was pushed down as well. Again, we went over this in the Sunday chart analysis, but it took off a little bit before London session. As you can see, it took off around 1:30. We didn't go live till 3 a.m. But if y'all check the Sunday chart analysis, we went over GU, and that was posted at 9 o'clock. So if y'all on the charts at 9 o'clock our last night Tokyo session, I could have got in on this. Again, this was 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock was right here. So you could have got in on this at 10:30. Price was showing it was still holding this as resistance. So again, we was looking for a sell here, but it's pushing down. So we're just going to bring this down to here. And then we're going to wait and see if it either retests that level or if it's going to break this next level right here. Again, you never want to chase trades. Price is always going to retrace. If you miss the retracement, just wait for it to break the next level. Never chase a trade. It's just dancing on this level. Again, the past hour, it's just been stuck in place. But again, we're not really missing anything. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. Shout out to everybody that liked the live. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, we can look at NAS. I'm not trading it. Hasn't retraced. Like I said, it's making all-time highs still. It's still bullish. When it's projected last week and the week before that. The reason I'm not too interested in it is because, again, when you're trading, you want to go for high probability, high quality setups. Yes, we're bullish. Yes, we're in an uptrend. Yes, we should go for buys. But if we're going to go for a smart position, you want to know where your exit is going to be at, where your entrance is going to be at. And again, your exit is both if it goes in profit or if it goes at his SL. And since it's making all-time highs, yes, I can still assume it's going up, but I don't know exactly what price point is going to hit. So I'm just going to wait for it to retrace. Right. So just like I talked about in Sunday chart analysis, if you have not watched the Sunday chart analysis, make sure to check that out. First link in the description. Like I say every week, it's not just what I talk about or what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, is what I see price doing the entire week. So I'm going to personally wait for a retracement going to 19,580. If it can continue to hold that support, then I'm gonna go for buys. Or I'm still gonna wait for a trade. I'm expecting a retracement because it's been pushing up for 2 weeks straight. Again, this was last 2 Fridays ago. This was how it ended last Friday. So again, for about 2 weeks, it's just been pushing up. So we're either going to see a retest into a higher low to catch the next higher high, or we could see a possible reversal kick in this week. So yeah, that's why I see what NAS100, but I'm not really interested in entries or positions as of right now. I'm mainly taking a look at and paying attention to GJ and GN, also GA. Looking at possible sell in GN. I think GA is slowly going as projected. And I'm looking to see if GJ can break this level right here. All right, y'all. We got the new 15 by the pop up again. GN was underneath this level, but it reversed back up. This is another example. I made a bunch of videos. I might have to make another video talking about it. You can see them on my Instagram and TikTok. I always talk about you want to wait for that confirmation, wait for the candlestick to close. That's why I always hear you saying, got a new 5 minute about to pop up. Let's see what this next 5 looks like. Let's see what this next 15 looks like. It's because as you can see on this live, this was a red candlestick was underneath you, but it flipped and closed green, right? Now I could obviously try to push back down below this next 15-minute candlestick, but just because price touches the level doesn't mean it's going to hold that level or is ready to make that next move. So again, a lot of y'all are in a rush to jump into positions, but you want to wait for price to show you what it's trying to do, what it's going to do, because price is always going to give you hints. The price is always going to show you what it's got in mind. All right, y'all. Shout out everybody in the live. Shout out everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal for your Telegram. All right, last week we went 5-0. We ended May. We went 16-4 against an 80% win rate, about 69,396 pips. And then the month before that, 15-4. You go to photos. There's over 1,000 photos of receipts from screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. Sure, check all this stuff out, y'all. Make sure to check out the videos from last week and last month. All the playlists are up to date. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I'll respond to all messages. And yeah, we're going back at it same time tomorrow. London session 3 of EST. Still on the charts, but again, price has just been dead this entire live so far. Let's see what this next hour looks like.